Hello, if you want to password protect a page on SystemeIO, here is a way to do it very quickly. So I show you what it does. When we want to see the page, it asks you CIA password. What is the password? I don't know. Let me in. Okay. Says password not recognized. Try again. Okay, I don't know. And you can press all keys. It doesn't let you in. And the password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then okay. And you enter into the confidential top secret page that you have here. So the code in parameters of the page in the header script here. This is the code. Here you put your password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you do a loop until the password is correct. So you ask for the password and then you check. Is it good? If it's good, then it does nothing. So it displays the page and it exits the loop. If it's not the same, then it asks again what is it says that it's not good, and then it asks again what is the password. So the prompt asks the user for the value, and alert is a box to say something, and you can only click OK. So it tells you that the password is not good, and then it loops and it asks again. And only if it's correct, then it does nothing and the script is finished, and then you see the page. So that's one way to do it. You could also modify this script so that if the password is correct, then you redirect to another page, another SystemeIO page. So that's how you do it to protect with the password your page. Bye bye.